and he's awake. Today we're going to make a brownie. My brother awake. Today we're going to make a brownie. Ingredients. You need flour and you need eggs and cocoa powder and chocolate chips and sugar and some vessels to mix. And one big vessel to mix it. I'll keep it here. And what's it called again?
Baking tin.
And a picking thing. You need a brush and a brush, a spoon, spatula, few mixing tools,
and a cloth to wash
and a cloth to wash your hands,
and some butter.
Yeah, and some butter melted from the oven,
And some decorations for
and
the cake.
and some chocolate decoration and 2 chocolate coins.
Let's keep the chocolates here because these are not used.
You want to use this bowl and some flour, a full bowl of flour.
That is good. No, that's good.
More. Fill it full.
No, that's good. This one. Yeah. Just need 2 more. That's 1. That's good. This is all your book. That's good. And just 1 more. This is 1 and 2. That's good. Yep. Now let's pour it in here. Now let's
This here. If it gets spilled, that's okay. We're making it a surprise for fun, okay?
Now let's take out the flour. Great.
Come on, I'm just pour it. Just three. Smells like chocolate.
I need this on
Just kidding, you're about to clean it. That's another way it would fit. Yeah, it needs to be too much. Just 1 more scoop. That's all. What?
1 more.
Just 1 more. Just 1 more.
1 more.
But it's still got to scoop for some more.
Tell them that it's
I'll
not
pour it.
sugar.
I'll pour it and I'll pour it this time.
How's it?
I'll do that.
It's bitter because it does not have sugar.
Okay.
So yeah, now he's keeping the sugar. Now
One
he's
spoon of sugar.
Full bowl.
this whole bowl.
I'll do it.
I need to put the sugar.
It needs that much sugar? Too much for me.
Oh, sorry. Now this looks good, right, Mama? Now let's take a big vessel and keep it here. Now
I mean, it can
we
spill.
take the eggs. Sometimes we put stuff on. Let's start.
I'll try maybe. I'll try. Give him a tip.
I'll keep trying. Now we get to got the tape. Now we can open. Let's open this out. Yes. Take 3
Use
eggs.
the knife.
Do this. It's okay.
Mother.
Keep that in the bowl. Keep this.
Oh, now you can this hot water is very hot. Sometimes you can ask your parents.
Yeah.
Try
water. Daddy, can you mix it? Daddy, can you mix it?
We're going to mix it with this.
I'll do it. I'll do it. No, okay. Daddy, you gotta get down to me. What am I doing? See, every time. It's like it's spilling. Now we pour in this.
gonna mix it for a little bit. Now it's turning like chocolate in there. Now
It's turning all brown.
like brownies. Now we keep them.
Now can I do it?
Too long is that time.
Now my turn.
You finished? Brown side. I'm finished. Let's leave that in there. Now we'll take this
Baking tin.
baking tin and this oil bottle. We'll open it. And we'll pour one. We close the owl because we have a little bit in there. Now what is this?
Brush. Spread it.
Now we're going to spread all the oil
I
everywhere. No, you mixed it. Now we're spreading the oil
Next we
everywhere.
pour it or scoop? I do scoop.
You talked a lot already, so I will. You talked already a lot.
I will scoop it because you did keep the oil. Next to keep this batter into this tin.
Oh, this is
Now, okay, don't forget to keep your oven heated. Okay? Or ask your mother or father to keep it in the baking tin.
Now we're going to open this.
Now you keep chocolate coins.
Now,
That's one wrapper. Just one more here.
now we keep it in the coins. Now we keep it like this. We go inside. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Now,
Go deeper and deeper.
now, I will